Nesting pans are the ultimate space saver for small kitchens. But most of them have a hidden flaw: they are slowly scratching themselves to death every time you put them away. At Wade Media Labs, we wanted to see how much damage occurs during daily use. Metal-on-metal friction is the #1 enemy of nonstick coatings, yet most sets are designed to sit directly on top of each other. We tested 10 of the leading nesting sets through a simulated 5-year cycle. This involved 500 nesting and unnesting repetitions under standard storage pressure to see which coatings held up and which ones flaked away. The results were concerning. 7 out of the 10 sets showed significant coating degradation within the first 50 cycles. Once that coating is compromised, the non-stick performance drops, and the pan's lifespan is cut in half. However, we found that design matters more than price. The sets that survived used 3 specific features to prevent damage: integrated silicone rims, heavy-duty felt protectors, or a high-density ceramic matrix. We narrowed the field down to just 3 sets that passed our mechanical wear test with 0 structural damage. These are the only sets we've found that truly balance space-saving convenience with long-term durability. If you're buying for a small kitchen, don't sacrifice your pan's lifespan for a few extra inches of cabinet space. You can find the full technical breakdown and the 3 scratch-proof winners at cookwarescout.com. Look for the Nesting Pan Survival Guide.